Do you want to freely enjoy driving in Jeju? Carmore will guide you everything. Shall we get started? Firstly, let me explain how to book a rental car with Carmore. Please go to carmore.pr on Google and then click the Foreigner button on the top right corner of the page. It will show rental car booking form up with guidance information. If you would like to book a rental car in Korea, you must be at least 21 years old and should bring an international driving permit, a local driver's license, a credit card, and a passport. Please check the detailed page for comprehensive information about insurance and cancellation policies. Click Rental Car Booking Form. If you are able to speak Korean, it would be more convenient to book the rental car directly on the Carmore website instead of submitting the request form. First, enter the pickup date and specific time for picking up the car. About pickup location, please put address or Google Map link on the form. Next, please enter the date, time, and location for returning the car. Please select a car or similar. If you have a specific car model or car class, you can write it down below. Please also write down if you have any additional options you want. Next is entering your personal information. Enter your name, date of birth, nationality, and phone number. Please input the contact we can reach out while you are in Korea. If you have an SNS ID, you can enter it here as optional. And then, enter your email address. Lastly, enter the number of people in your party and click the Submit button. Form submission for booking is complete. Then Carmore will review your booking form and send you a quote via email for the available car. After checking the email, if you want to proceed with the booking, you should reply to the email that you want to take a car and make a reservation. After you reply to the email, Carmore will send you a payment link, then please reply back after you process the payment. After Carmore checks your payment, Carmore will send you a voucher. When you arrive at Jeju Airport, look for the rental car shuttle sign and walk following the sign. Keep walking until you find the exit 5. Please cross the road. Please follow the sign rental car shuttles. Check the shuttle timetable and location where you need to get on. Get on the shuttle and move to a rental car office. When you arrive at the rental car office, please show a mobile voucher, IDP, local driver's license, a credit card, and a passport at the counter. After a staff check call requirements, the staff will explain about insurance and car orientation. When you pick up the car, make sure to take a photo of the car's condition and dashboard. It will be a proof when it has any issues. The dashboard shows the amount of tank. You should refuel the same level of tank in return. Here is how to use Korean navigation. If it is set up in Korean, you can change to English. Go to Settings, General, Language, English. You can easily find the route by searching through the built-in navigation.
Turn right and then turn left.
Secondly, there is a navigation application on the phone. If the car supports CarPlay or Android, you can connect with a USB port. In Korea, T-Map, Kakao Navigation, Naver Navigation, those 3 apps are the most used than Google Map. If you bring a phone holder, you can comfortably drive. Korea is right-sided driving. The turn signal is on the left. It will be a right turn flicker when you move it up and a left turn flicker when you move it down. The wiper is on the right. Emergency lights in Korea are used in 2 situations. Firstly, it is used in emergency situations while driving, and the second one is used as an appreciative sign. In the latter case, generally turn on the emergency lights 3 times and then turn off. If others give way to you, then turn it on for the car behind you. In Korea, the traffic lights are red, yellow, and green. On the regular roads, the average speed is around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. Please make sure to drive less than 30 kilometers in school zones. In particular, there are many narrow and winding roads in Jeju, and it is recommended to maintain a safe distance. Left turns are only allowed in the left turn lane. If you are in the wrong lane, then turning left is prohibited. Turn on your flicker while waiting in the lane when the left turn signal is on, then turn left. Depending on the road situations, if you see a left turn yield on green sign, you can turn left when the go straight signal is on. Right turns are only allowed in the right turn lane. If the traffic light is red, temporarily stop at the stop line on the road. Afterwards, if there are no pedestrians passing at the crosswalk, then drive slowly. If you proceed to the crosswalk, drive slowly if there are no pedestrians passing through the crosswalk. If there are pedestrians, stop temporarily and wait until all pedestrians have left the crosswalk before driving slowly. The following cases allow U-turn. Firstly, when the left turn signal is on. Secondly, when the pedestrian signal is on. Lastly, when the go straight signal and left turn signals are on. Please note that if you U-turn in a place that is not permitted, you will receive a traffic violation fine. Jeju has a lot of roundabouts. In roundabout sections, turning cars are the priority. When you entering, please drive slowly counterclockwise. Because Jeju is an island, the weather changes frequently. If it rains, we recommend driving 20% slower than average. If you search for gas station on the navigation system, you can see various gas stations. Almost all rental cars are gasoline cars. However, there are diesel and LPG cars. For LPG case, there are LPG charger stations. If you refuel it by yourself, please select the right type of refuel. Then select the payment method and desired amount and pay, then process the payment. Please open the fuel filler and insert the nozzle. It has a retaining pin, so you don't have to keep holding it with your hands. For electric cars, you must refuel at an electric car charging station. There are many electric car charging stations in Jeju Island, so refueling is easy. Refueling methods are divided into slow charging and fast charging. In case of slow charging, it takes about 7 hours on average. In case of fast charging, it takes around 1 hour on average. Depending on the car, it is different charged, so be sure to check what car type it is before charging. Also, select the charging method, payment method, and desired amount, and then make a payment. Open the charging port and connect the charger. When charging is complete, simply remove the charger and return it to its original place. If you done to fuel up, go back to rent a car office and return the car to return location. The staff would check the gas level and scratches of the car. If there is anything that needs to be checked additionally, then go to the office and proceed with the payment and returning. After returning the car, you can go back to Jeju Airport by taking shuttle bus. So we have learned how to book a rental car in Jeju and how to drive. Hopefully, it helps you well and have a great trip. Thank you.